My name is Surabhi Ganguly. I live in a house outside the city. The house belongs to my parents, and I like to live here because it's away from the noise and bustle of the city. I live here with my dogs, my cat, and my hens, and I like to stay in nature. I live an organic lifestyle. My day involves a lot to do with nature. I've built my own oven out of mud and sand. And today is going to be firing day because today is a day when I'm going to light some wood and cook some food. My day begins with a walk, and after this I'm going to spend the rest of my day cooking food in my oven. Firing day is the day that I choose to bake something in the oven. So today is the day I'm going to bake something in the oven, which means I have to light up a fire inside the oven, heat it up, bring it to temperature and then bake in it. So this is an oven. It's made with mud and with fully natural materials. I first learned about this in the Himalayas, in a village called Samthar, where they had made one in a school there. That's when I bought a book and I read about it and I built this myself. So far I have used this to make some gnocchi and a sweet pie. I've also used it to roast some tomatoes. Today I am making a lasagna and I am planning to bake some bread and some focaccia. Currently I am cooking just for us, for myself, and the bread I am baking today is actually going to be the first real trial of bread in this oven. So that's going to be an experiment. Once this oven is well tested and I know how it works, I am hoping to make all the bread that I bake in this oven. I try to make sure that I know a lot about my food. So a lot of the food that I eat comes from organic sources. I try to start from scratch. So whether it is cooking from ingredients that are found in the farm, or it is even now making my own oven and cooking in it. So it's nice to start from scratch and make a meal from start to end all on my own. And this is really nice because I enjoy the process. It's good for my health, and I save a lot of money, and I spend a lot of time doing something I like to do.